Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan nama saya Nur Hafizah Putri Indriani dengan NIM 230421187 dari Prodi Ilmu Administrasi Negara. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan materi eh, mengenai ekonomi publik untuk memenuhi ujian akhir semester ekonomi publik dengan dosen pengampu Bapak II Permana STMT. Artikel yang saya ambil yaitu berjudul Social Science and Medicine. The Moral Economy of Universal Public Healthcare on Healthcare Activists in Austerity Spain. Introduction. Spain has a national health service, universal in access and free at the point of use. The global economic crisis of 2008 with its subsequent austerity policies has put the universal of public health care at risk. This has led to an increase in healthcare activists who aim is to fight healthcare cuts and privatization to safeguard the national healthcare service for all. This article addresses healthcare activists, material and methods. This article is based on ethnographic material and as well as written documents, gray literature such as activist publication and website, policy and legal documents, as well as secondary data such as survey, research article in public health journal, and historiographic publication. Public healthcare in Spain, historical develops and contemporary politics. Healthcare has been part of public welfare in Spain since the democratic transition. The core moral values of universality and equality have been deeply shaken as a result of austerity measures, laws, and privatization on a national as well as regional level. This happened during a time that Spaniards simply calorie crisis when the country was greatly marked by up to 26 unemployment, increasing poverty rates, and rising government debt. Healthcare activists and moral economists. Such activism can be defined within the framework of health social movement, which are an important political force concerning health access and quality of care, as well as broader social change. Health social movement, as defined by Bill Brown and Stephen Zeptosky, provided collective challenge to medical policy, public health policy and politics, belief system, research, and practice. The everyday effects of austerity and local resistance. The platform participant aim was to organize leaflet campaigns, information stand, and street protests to raise public awareness of staff shortage and difficult working conditions, but also of care deficiencies and the deterioration of the hospital infrastructure that pose, according to them, an increased risk to pet safety and care. The platform was thus a growth movement that sought to collectively define the general hospital against budget cuts and privatization by informing hospital users and workers about the everyday consequences of the economic process in the first place against neoliberalism and private profit. There have been brutal neoliberal politics against public system here over the years. They let the gap become big enough for someone to take advantage of it. So while we were being cut by 30, private companies were making between 20 and 40 profits in the middle of the crisis. Public healthcare is an important pillar of this society. Healthcare is seen as a major part of Welfare and Society in Spain, define your service. Protester chanted personifying public healthcare and showing their strong attachment to it. One called also read stating that cuts in healthcare are the legal crime, accusing the state of slashing citizen rights and therefore of the exercise of illegitimate power. Universality of healthcare with limits and ambivalence toward the state. In contrasting a public healthcare system for the private system for profit in swim victims, healthcare activists provide a powerful counter narrative to economic critics that view the public system as inefficient, too costly, and I need of reform by tautological presenting the public system as unambiguously good precisely because it is in common good. Healthcare activists had to hope to offer its positive moral value, but as positive social and economic value as a public good. Conclusionnya yaitu in Spain the healthcare activists I work with struggle for a healthcare system that is entered public, imagining a solidarity society to them means something that is collectively financed, belongs to everybody, and is for everybody. Independent either of on financial means or the economic and market interests of politicians and companies. In the nation of the public, people with Spanish citizenship, like precarious immigrants, are not priority exclude as increasing nationalist and xenophobic political discourse in Spain and elsewhere in Europe might suggest, but they are not always explicitly included either, which hint at the limited national of universalism in which continuous discrimination and partial exclusive of the without Spanish citizenship are uniquely legit. Sekian penjelasan materi dari saya. Apabila ada kurang, saya mohon maaf. Saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.